Today we're going to talk about synthetic division. The process of synthetic division arises from rewriting the long division in a more compact form using simpler notation. Let's go through an example step by step. Use synthetic division to write the quotient and remainder when x cubed minus 4x squared minus 5 is divided by x minus 3. Step 1, write the dividend in descending powers of x. Our dividend x cubed minus 4x squared minus 5 is already in its descending order. And then we're going to copy the coefficients, remembering to insert a 0 for any missing powers of x. So we're going to copy the coefficients. We got 1, negative 4, oh, we're missing an x, so 0, minus 5. Step 2, insert the usual division symbol in synthetic division. The divisor is of the form x minus c, and c is the number placed to the left of the division symbol. So let's make our division symbol around 1, negative 4, 0, negative 5. Here, since the divisor is x minus 3, we insert 3 to the left of the division symbol. Step 3, bring the 1 down 2 rows and enter in row 3. So we're going to bring down this first number, which is 1, down to row 3, and that's going to be our first number in row 3. Step 4, we're going to multiply the latest entry in row 3 by 3 and place the result in row 2, one column over to the right. So our latest entry is 1, and we're going to multiply that by 3. So we're going to get 3, and we're going to place that in row 2, one column over. And we're multiplying by 3 because that is our division. We're dividing by 3. Step 5, we're going to add the entry in row 2 to the entry above in row 1 and enter the sum in row 3. So we're going to take our negative 4 and our 3, and we're going to add them, and we're going to get negative 1, and that is our step 5. So for step 6, we're going to repeat steps 4 and 5 until no more entries are available in row 1. So we're going to take our last entry in row 3, which is negative 1, multiply by 3. It's going to give us negative 3. We're going to add 0 and negative 3, and that's going to give us negative 3. And now we're going to take negative 3, multiply by 3. That's going to give us negative 9. We're going to add negative 5 and negative 9. It's going to give us negative 14. So this right here is our step 6. So step 7, we're just going to pull out our quotient and our remainder. The negative 14 is the final entry in row 3, and this is the remainder. So negative 14 equals the remainder. And the other entries in the row 3, the 1, negative 1, and negative 3. 1, negative 1, and negative 3 are the coefficients in descending order of a polynomial whose degree is 1 less than that of the dividend. So our dividend's degree was 3. So our quotient polynomial is going to be of degree 2. So we're going to start over with x squared. So we got 1x squared minus x minus 3. That's in descending order, and that is our quotient. Now we're going to check our work. And to check our work, we know that the divisor multiplied by the quotient plus the remainder should give us our original dividend. So we're going to have our divisor is x minus 3, and we're going to multiply by x squared minus x minus 3, which is our quotient, and then we're going to add negative 14. When we FOIL this, we get x cubed minus x squared minus 3x minus 3x squared plus 3x plus 9 plus a negative 14. And then when we combine like terms and simplify, we get x cubed minus 4x squared minus 5. Now, does this match our dividend above? Yes, it does. So we have successfully done synthetic division.